Hey there, quick review on these PolarPro LED garage lights. So as you see here, these have wings that are going to adjust down around the perimeter so you can direct the light in certain directions if you want to do that. But you get a really nice field of light being dispersed off of these. If you want to radiate out a little bit more, just orient these up and it'll transmit the light out a little bit better. As you can see here, this does use just a standard light socket for installation, makes these a very practical and cost-effective light to install. All you need is your existing ceiling fixture, and then you're gonna have what is called a lamp holder, which is this thing right here. Very inexpensive, only costs a few bucks to install, and then you'll be able to screw your light directly in. So as you can see here, the camera's not gonna pick this up great, but these are extremely, extremely bright. It is important to note, these are 6500 K light. That's gonna give you a very bright daylight color. You're not gonna get that yellowy, incandescent, old light fixture color. This is gonna be a daylight color, very bright, which is nice. Also note, these are 20,000 lumens each, not 80,000 lumens each. So this I purchased in a 4-pack. It equals up to 80,000 lumens total. Here's a before of my utility room, kind of dim, ugly yellow color. I'm gonna change out these LEDs and see how it looks. Wow, that made a huge difference. So much brighter, so much of a better temperature on the light. That daylight is so much better than that yellowy incandescent color. I've got a ton of light in here now, and it looks so much better. And I'm gonna go ahead and install these lights here in this wing of my storage building. As you can see, not very bright, and it's got that ugly yellow color. That made an absolutely huge difference. It is so much better in here. It's a better color light, and it's so much brighter. You can actually see what you're doing, and it really projects the light all around and kind of floods the area nicely. So I think I'm gonna have to take these bulbs and replace all of these guys out here.